Hi, I'm Felipe Alvarez, and today we will talk about the CLOC framework. If you ever Google legal operations, you'll probably see a colorful wheel with 12 sections, the CLOC 12 Pillars framework. It's one of the best known models in the industry, but also one of the most misunderstood. These 12 areas describe how a legal department evolves from reactive to strategic. They cover everything from financial management and vendor governance to data analytics, knowledge management, and technology enablement. But here is the reality. No team can build maturity across all 12 pillars at once. You have to choose where to begin, and that's what separates biz teams from high performance ones. Most legal ops leaders start with 3. Technology and automation, because if your requests, contracts, and data are scattered, nothing else can be measured. Process automation. You can automate chaos. First, you need a structure. And metrics and reporting, because without tracking cycle time and SLA compliance, you are flying blind. Think of it like building a house. Technology is the foundation, process is the architecture, and metrics are the light that shows what's working. Once you have those 3, you can expand to more sophisticated areas like vendor management, knowledge sharing, or spend optimization. Many departments jump straight to advanced pillars, AI, dashboards, RFP automation, but without stable workflows, those tools never reach full value. So instead of asking, which pillars do you have? Ask, which ones actually moves the business forward this quarter? One legal ops team I worked with had just one goal: reduce contract turnaround time by 30%. In 6 months, they reduced it by 45%, and that single improvement justifies spending their legal ops budget for the next year. Legal operation isn't a checklist, it's a roadmap. Start small, measure fast, and scale smart. In our next episode, we will talk about how workflow automation can take you from constant firefighting to true operational flow, even without a technical background. See you soon.